All right, guys. This is Trader Sebron here once again, and I want to welcome you. This is gold, and we are on the forecast analysis charts today. We're looking at gold for the week 42, and we are looking at a trade that I took last week. This was a gold buy that I took last week, and the analysis was very, very simple. I'm not sure everyone got this because this was my personal, because a lot of people trade gold in different direction, different ways. So I think I made the trade like this. Yep, the trade was like this when I woke up. And obviously, I've already done my analysis for the previous day because you can see the range at which I was looking at, and price already giving me a direction, which is strong follow through to the upside. So we were bullish, obviously. So I was waiting for uh, that candle confirmation, which is this bullish confirmation, for me to get into the buy or to the upside on the 4 hour. So which eventually played out because price dropped a little bit, and began to head back up. So I woke up this in the morning and noticed price was here. Mine was just to prepare myself to get in on the lower time frame, which I did got in on the lower time frame. And it gave me a simple free 1 to 3 trade, and price just tanked. And we got that. So that's where we are for the week. So let me just take that off and then just show you what we're looking at this week as well. So this week, I'm gonna just wipe the screen, and then we will look at what the market has for us this week. Now, as you can see, it's a very, again, bullish momentum to the upside. The market is really bullish, as you can see. Generally, if you look at the overall momentum, number one, the momentum is bullish. Gold is bullish in the momentum, okay? And then we want to look at the directional bias. So first we look at the momentum. Secondly, we look at the directional bias. So the directional bias for this market right now is also bullish, as you can see. So I'm gonna just mark out my chart quickly, so then I will explain a few things for you. So just marking out my chart, looking at what I'm seeing, I can see that this high was taken out, okay? And then the market has given us a new high, which is obviously over here, although we haven't been seeing a rejection yet, but that's a recent push up. So let's see what the market does when it open up, and then we can see the recent low at this level. So this is what we have here. So for me, I can see that this market has given me a very strong uh, follow through to the upside, which is beautiful, giving me opportunity to look for more buys. So right here is where I'm gonna actually look for opportunity to buy. Now, it's a long range. So let's look at the directional bias. It's a long range. So the long range means that this buy, okay, it could be in any of the zone. So price could give me opportunity to buy here, and I'll buy. Okay. Price could give me opportunity to buy when it get here, and I'll buy. Price could give me opportunity to buy when it get here, and I'll buy. So these are the areas. So it means that wherever the opportunity lies for price to start dropping by pulling back, I'm looking for opportunity to buy the market anywhere in this, either the discount zone or the premier zone. I'm going to be looking for opportunity to buy this market because the momentum is to the upside strong. So that is good. And the question is, when would the market start pulling back? We don't know. We can see that the candle that just closed is bullish. So the next candle might be another bullish to push higher, and that's it. If it's going to push higher, you just have to wait for a reasonable pullback for you to look for opportunity for that buy. But at the moment, the market is ready for more buys on gold. Okay, now the question is, what do you expect in an opening market? Expect that the next candle should be bearish, a little bit pullback into maybe this zone, into this area where price action has created opportunities like here. So you might be expecting price action, maybe somewhere around here, and then price pull back into that zone, and then you look for opportunity to buy. It could be, it could be. So we are not sure yet, but watch out for this. So what I'm looking at on gold is more buys, 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 buys. There is nothing else. We're looking at more opportunity to buy. Any major pullback, we're looking for more opportunity to buy. Now I see a gap here that has not been filled. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, maybe it's a chart. What do you call it? This the service provider of this chart, which is capital.com. I'm not sure, but if it is in the same with other chart, then this gap will have to be filled in the nearest future, maybe by November. Who knows? But we're not sure yet. So this is exactly what we're looking at of gold. Gold is a potential buy. So we are buying gold all the way to the upside. Okay, that's for that. So let's move to GJ, which is GDP Now GDP beautiful setup last week, which I didn't trade. I didn't trade itself. But I didn't really spend the time to trade this sale because I didn't spend time to look at it actually. So let me just remove everything drawn in. So let's start afresh. So where are we at? First of all, momentum. Where are we at generally? Well, we're beginning to see bullish momentum to the wrong side, to the upside. So the market is becoming a bullish momentum on this pair right here. Okay, it's becoming bullish. We need to now look at why is that. Well, you can see a breakup structure to the upside multiple times, and then the lower structure that created this structure was not broken. So price didn't break this structure, rather it's heading back up. So I still feel that there is more momentum to buy this market, but let's confirm with the directional bias. First of all, we have a very tight range, which was expanded recently, which is good. So we have this low was taken out. So we're looking at the directional bias. This low was taken out, breakup structure to the downside. Okay. And then it was a strong follow through. And we have like follow through to the downside. So it's still like a bearish momentum to the downside. Okay. So here we have these two candles. So we'll have strong follow through there because of the candles. The candles were big candles that break below it. So for me, I think there's still more opportunity to sell in this market. So it could be a shift of the uptrend to the downside because now we can see that the market just drop. Okay. So I think this is gonna be like basically because of this candle that closed, I will take it as just follow through to the downside. Now, this market, okay, have a previous high that was here, okay, and then recent low right here. So what we're looking at now is this. We want to see opportunity to sell. We're looking for a sell opportunity at premium because this buy already proceeded. You can't join into the market to buy up now. You just have to wait. On GJ, you wait for price to get to the premium to buy. You want to wait for price to come into the zone to buy. So the best way you want to do this is just ensure that you have your fib there and expect price to come into 61 within that zone. What is it? Just a minute. Where's my tool? So I'm expecting price to come into 61 around this zone and then drop to this level. So that's potential trade for Monday that you want to look at. Potential trade for Monday. You want to be able to see that push up and a drop into that zone. Now remember, we do daily analysis. So this is just for Monday and looking at the overall period, okay, weekly. So we're going to join the daily analysis to ensure what to do next. So that's why we have the trading lab. Ensure you join the trading lab. It's just 30 quid. 30 quid, you'll be able to join the trading lab a month. And then you'll be able to learn daily how we're looking at trade, take the trade daily. Okay, we'll be sharing with you daily chart, daily analysis, daily market structure, what we're looking at and how we're buying and selling. You'll be able to participate on that every day. So ensure you participate. If there is setup, you will get it. If there's no setup, then I'll also call you guys and talk to you guys on live chat and let you know what's going on. So that's what the trading lab is for. Ensure you hit the link in the description for that if you're interested. So now this is just for Monday. What happened on Tuesday? We don't know yet. What happened on Wednesday? We don't know yet. What happened on Thursday? We don't know yet. What about Friday? I can't tell you anything about that now. But for tomorrow, tomorrow, I'm expecting a sell. I want to sell when price push up to that level, and I'm looking for opportunity to sell from there. That's what I'm telling you on GJ. Okay, so I hope you got it. Now there's more opportunity to sell this GJ to the downside. I'm not sure how far it's gonna go until the weekend, so we'll be able to see how the market unfold. So this is what I'm looking at on GJ right now. And let me quickly just look at some of the fundamentals, which I didn't actually talk about on GU when I did an analysis on GU. So let's see what we have on Forest Factory. Looking at the calendar quickly, and then we'll round up this section. Now, tomorrow is going to be 16, and we have a few, yes, we have 1:30, there's news coming in. Then 10:45 p.m., which is obviously Australia, what do you call it, Asia section. And yeah, there's news at 1:30 tomorrow. And then on Tuesday, there's a lot of news coming in from GBP. All right. There's also a lot of news coming in from Canada, US, Canada dollars, and also US dollars. So pay attention to these fundamentals coming in. On Wednesday, there's a few one, but CPI coming a lot, British pounds CPI, all right, which is obviously that's just before opening market, and no problem with that. And on Thursday, we have some US dollars trades report coming in. Also pay attention to that. And also on Friday, we have GBP's sales retails at 7 a.m. in the morning. Also pay attention to that. So you want that news to be released before you get into the market to trade as well. So there are a lot of reports coming in on fundamentals. So just to confirm some of the things I've done with the analysis of the both GU, Euro USD, and gold and GJ. So we can see that GU major pair Euro USD is very bearish, as you can see, and we can see that the seasonality of this market shows that October price is still going to drop. All right, so that's beautiful. So indicating us that we will look for more sales. So let's see another one, which is GU itself. GU itself is also bearish, as you can see, very bearish. GU is very bearish. And also October. October, we have again a little drop to the downside compared to Euro USD. Euro USD may have more drop compared to GU as well. But they are both bearish. As you can see that the retail sentiment is very good. So we're looking for more sales. Then I want to go to the minor pair, which is obviously GJ. We'll have GJ in the minor pair. Now, GJ looks neutral, okay? At the moment, it's neutral. But remember, we said that it's moving from the bearish momentum to the bullish momentum, as we already analyzed before. So it's looking bullish. But again, at this moment, we can't buy now. It's too late. So what we're looking for is to sell around this zone if it continue bearish. But remember, what we just saw now is neutral. It's not giving us a direction here. It's not clear. But in reality, there could be price push up higher to break this high, and then we'll be looking for more buys. So at the moment, the only opportunity to trade this market is to look for opportunity to sell at the zone. Otherwise, there is no trade set up for that. So that's why it's like that. Then if you check the October is going to be very bullish. As you can see, price move up in October. So we should be expecting more to the upside. In reality, we should be expecting more to the upside. But let's see, until this high is broken, we are not going to get in. We need to wait for this high to be broken. Otherwise, you will not be able to trade that buy because the entry has already begun. If you miss that entry there, low here, then there is no opportunity anymore. So you wait for a push up, to break of that high before you continue. All right. So that's what I see on that pair right now. So what are the things I'm looking for? Gold. Let's look at gold quickly. Gold sentiment. Gold sentiment is very, very bullish right now. As you can see, price is rallying up. But at the end of the day, the bias is bearish. How could gold be going up and yet we're having a bearish bias? Because the market is shifting pattern. And you know how gold is. Gold is crazy. So right now we have October. It's supposed to be a little bit of sell on gold, but we're seeing it that gold is rallying up crazy. So why? Because the COT data tells us that gold has manned up, okay, has mount up. So watch out for more analysis coming on go, depending on the direction. But at the moment, it's really not clear on this fundamental software that I'm looking at. So that's it for now, guys. I think you guys enjoyed this section. Hit me up in the Telegram group if you're already there. Let's go. And also join the trading lab now. If you want to enjoy our daily analysis, daily trades, you want to be able to join the profitable era, this is the time, this is the moment. I'll see you guys there in the trading lab. The link is in the description below. Bye for now, guys. I'll see you soon.